Hello, Alpha Chi Sigma Brother JR. I'm Pledge Aaron, and this is T-shirt by Chantel. Hope you like it. Hey, and let me tell you no. Ooh, I'm trying to decide if I really wanna go out tonight. I never used to go out without you. I'm not sure I remember how to. I'm gonna be late, but all my girls gonna have to wait, cause I don't know if I like my outfit. I tried everything in my closet. Nothing feels right when I'm not with you. Sick of these dresses and these Jimmy Choos. Taking them off cause I feel a fool. Trying to dress up when I'm missing you. I'm upset by all this lingerie. Curl up in a ball with something to hang. In that LA, with nothing but your t-shirt on. With nothing but your t-shirt on. Alright, that was a little over a minute. I hope you enjoyed. Take care.